Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube channel link uh, into your TikTok bio. First of all, open your YouTube channel and here go to your YouTube channel bio and copy the YouTube channel link from here. Go to your TikTok. How to add? Go to your tiktok.com. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. What you need to do, go to your profile button. After that, here you can see edit your profile. Click on this edit profile and here you can see add YouTube. Click on this add YouTube icon. Here you can see click on this add YouTube icon, and after that here you need to paste. You can also select your email from here. This is my YouTube channel. Select this channel. Now click on continue. Here you can see this is my YouTube channel account. Now click on allow. In this way you can add a YouTube channel on your TikTok bio. Here now go to back and here you can see my YouTube channel added to my bio. Thanks for watching this video. In this way you can easily add a YouTube channel on your TikTok bio. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.